It's a glorious new day in the golf cart garage, and though winter has finally released its relentless hold on the north, the native golf cart mechanic finds the spring mornings still greet him with a chill in the air that calls for an enclosure. And maybe a space heater. Depends on your budget, we have those too. But the extra long rooftop on his Yamaha G29 Drive model golf cart is too big for most universal enclosures and needs a custom fit to protect him from the challenging climate. He's adapted by using the oh shit handles for extra leverage to make his installation easier. He's grown soft during hibernation and finds that the fit is tight on the rooftop, much like on his waistband, for the same reason we install safety belts. A tighter fit will keep it from flying off the cart while driving. Installation complete, he finds it keeps him more comfortable during rain and cold. If you need help with your installation, give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can show you around the garage. Thanks for watching GCGTV.